Back to markets at nose. As Nantara said that there have been some changes in the commercial vehicle and how the tonnage will be calculated over there. Let's welcome in a guest from Siam now. Vishnu Mathur, DG Siam, is now joining us. Mr. Mathur, what's your first take on these changes that have been proposed or rather been implemented?
Yeah, you see, Pankaj, basically this notification allows a higher axle load of about 20 to 25% on commercial vehicles, especially trucks which are going to be plying on the roads. So basically it is designed to, in my opinion, designed to improve the efficiency of the commercial transport, goods transport in the country. If you look at all other countries, higher axle loads are allowed, largely because the condition of the roads and highways is much better. Our condition of the roads and highways were not as good as international global conditions, so we had always looked at lower speeds and lower axle loads. Now I think because the quality and the infrastructure improvements have happened quite substantially, it is a step in the right direction to be looking at increasing the axle loads for trucks.
Hi, this is Nantara joining in from the New Delhi studio. So we're seeing this change in tonnage after 3 decades. My question also to you is that don't the highways need to be ready? Has enough time been provided for this kind of transition?
See, if I understand your question correctly, I think there is no specific time mentioned, and I think that is something that could have been looked at by government, because this kind of change does entail development of the vehicle, development of new components like axles, tires, etc., which will take some time. So this change is definitely not going to happen tomorrow. It is going to take some time before these new vehicles can hit the road. These vehicles will be certified for safety parameters, looking at the higher tonnage loads. So certainly it could have been helpful if they had given some kind of a applicability date, but the way the notification has been drafted and issued, I think it's applicable from tomorrow itself. So any company would be free to send the vehicle for fresh certification from tomorrow onwards, and then sell it in the market with a higher load capacity.
For taking out time for us and telling us what do you make out of these new norms. Of course, this has been one of the big headlines since morning. Yesterday night is when this entire notification came in. On that note, we're completely